Welcome to our vlog!
Didesign ako ng tumama.
Ah,
Thank you.
mainit, mainit. Tikman mo kung ano lasa. Alam mo muna. Okay na? Ganyan. Oh. Hanggang siya matulog, guys. Nakita nyo?
Ito pala ba yung...
Yay! Hindi pa.
Dito na lang tayo.
Ang daigdig ay may bago nang may minamahal. Asahan mo, pag-ibig ko'y tunay. Ang nais ko'y laging kapiling ka.
Hindi ko nakikilay yung kilay mo. O, lagyan mo natin dito yung content. Nakakaya lang.
Harap, laging kasama ka. Ikaw ang alaala sa aking pag-iisa. Wala nang iibigin pang iba.
That's correct. Of course, partner, no? Kung sino man ang pasok sa ating semifinals ay siguradong pasok or makakasali sa ating grand finals. Pwede bang isa pa? Handa na ba ang Mabalacat City Festival Ground?
Diba nag-e-enjoy na ang lahat? Kaya naman, halika na't magkantahan dahil
Hey, 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 hey! Kali! Kali! Hey, 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 hey!
para mahina pala ka pala. Huwag mo chika.
Ay, video pala.
Alright. Hello, hello, lady in red. Anong pangalan, ate? Christine. Taga saan si Christine? Taga Barangay Dawo. Okay, ate Christine, naniniwala ako na hindi ka mag-full red ngayon. Hindi ka mag-jumpsuit, diba, na red kung walang dahilan. Okay? I am very much excited. Everybody's excited for your performance. So, let's give it up for Christine from Barangay Dawo.
I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrong. I never needed pain. I never needed strength. My love for you is strong enough, you should have known. I never needed you for judgment. I never needed you to question what I spent. I never asked for help. I take care of myself. I don't know what you think you got a hold on me. First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But I spent on so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. But I was strong, I learned how to get along.
Alright, that is Christine. Ang galing naman, Christine. Pusing at dancer, Christina. Naka-jumpsuit ka din ang pusing at dancer. I don't want you. Perfect, Christine. Ayan, how do you feel, Christine, in Mabalacat City Festival Grounds?
Medyo nakabago kasi kasakit din ko. Pero na-perform ko naman po ng maayos.
Nagkasakit ka pa sa lagay na yan? O kung hindi ka nagkasakit, Diyos ko, pagtawag ng tanghal ng performance mo. Congratulations, Christine. Ayan. We'll be having, partner, our top 5.
Top 5 winners.
Top 5 winners, partner.
And for tonight, meron tayong maswerteng lucky winners. 5 lucky winners. And we will be having 2 karaoke, 2 karaoke queen, and 1 karaoke queen.
The highest of them all, garnering an average score of 478.4. We have
Nagpalit rin si Christine. Ay, nag-change outfit na si Ate Christine.
We now have our finalists, King
Hello, Queen.
and Cara Queer. Palakpakan naman natin sila. They will be returning. Best grand finals ever.
That's correct.
Okay.
Mas pinabongga natin yan, partner, of course.
You are the lucky five. Ayan. Congratulations. You will secure ang score, secure ang slot ninyo for grand finals, okay? But still, you will earn, okay? Or you will have a cash prize, okay? Cash on hand with us, okay?
Congratulations. Once again, proceed po muna tayo
Yes,
sa
for
may
picture
booth
taking.
ngayon.
Picture taking
Picture
muna,
taking
yeah.
muna, of course. Photo op, please. Jolie.
Napakahirap, partner, no?
Kaya malungkot ako,
oo,
partner,
ako
pero
din. Pero
this
syempre,
is
may mga
Vice
chance pa for the wild card, okay? We will be
Correct.
still conducting again.
Yung mga hindi nanalo, they will still be going out here for the wild card.
Yes, alright.
Ayan, sige, proceed muna sila doon sa part na yun to claim their cash prizes.
Yes. And once again, thank you so much for watching. This is Miss V.
Galing, 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 galing. Galing mo naman. Galing.
Hi guys, tatanggalin na yung makeup ko ng bebe ko. Kasi nakangati na yung face lock ko. Okay. Hilayan, no?
Bilang kita.
Hindi mo na inulit. Oo, talaga. Ganyan-ganyan lang ako.
Ano, tapos iyak ko sa... I-brush pa niya, no? Nagmumuri-muri ka. Ano dito sila, B?
Ayun, kasi nga, hindi ako nag-ano na. Diet ka muna din.
Didikit na lang.
O, tamang pakit muna kami dito ang dalawa. Tignan nyo naman ang smile. Alo, may pakis po si ate girl, oh. O siya, bye-bye na. Bye!
See you next vlog.